Hi, welcome back to Postbox channel. Back to the tutorial for artificial intelligence. This exclusive tutorial used for UGC NET and some of the college level and university exams also. Today we are going to discuss topic called very important topic, knowledge representation and reasoning in artificial intelligence. We are continued by the techniques called logic, semantic, net and also frames. These are the introduction about this topic, not complete one. So in the previous session I explained about the alpha beta pruning and also form of game playing and everything. Kindly check the playlist and support the channel. And let's go for session today. Please kindly take paper and pen because some of the points I am not showing the slide here and directly explaining. Now the question is, what is knowledge representation? Generally humans, all our humans are best at understanding, reasoning and interpreting knowledge. Because human now thinks which is knowledge as per their knowledge, they perform various actions in the real world. So today what is the AI subject covering means, already in the domain covering means what is machines can think like a human, possible or not, how we can successfully implement the machines like robotics for replacement of human, as well as solve the complex problems. Whenever the complex problems come, how do you solve with the help of these machines? Now we can describe the knowledge representation in following ways. Or we can say the knowledge representation and reasoning KR is the part of the AI which concerned with the AI agents thinking and how thinking contributes to intelligent behavior of agents. And also it is responsible for representing information about the real world so that the computer can understand and can utilize this knowledge to solve the complex real world problems such as diagnosing medical conditions or communicating with the humans in natural language. So here there are, when you go for knowledge representation, there are two facts behind it. One is called fact, that is truth about the world, and another is represents the fact. So as a human being which you have, how do you improve knowledge? How do you get knowledge? Because as knowledge comes from the basics of education, your experience and surveillance and survey of the society or survey in the industry. So what you can do and what you can do like that. The fact in the sense we can say the best example. Let's take the example sky. The sky, this color is blue. So like that fact will be there and represent the fact is there. Or else if you, let's assume that you are going to watch a movie. So what happened? How do you represent? If you watch a movie, how do you represent? That way you have some knowledge. After seeing the movie, you can represent in the form of pictorial or some other way to easily understand the opposition person. These are helpful for the machines. Okay, then now come to the knowledge representation and reasoning. So here knowledge representation, first here knowledge representation is what you just now told you, some fact, okay, or you can say fact. And what is meant by reasoning? Reason means you can say these are the ability of use of knowledge. Let's assume that I'm going to the fifth floor. I'm seeing the fifth floor in the balcony to the downstairs, and I want to think. I want to jump. Is it possible? Because I don't want to jump. I know what can I do because I have knowledge. If in the building, if you're in the fifth floor and you want to jump in, so what happens? You definitely die. So I have knowledge whether to jump from the balcony or not, going the steps or lift or whatever there. So I can think, some knowledge is there, I can analyze and do, and also these are helpful for decision making also. So let's say example, I'm the programmer, I'm writing the program. If I write in the program, what happen? You can execute the answer, you can view the output properly. If I write the program wrong, your result also will be wrong. Don't forget, if you are wrong, machine also wrong. If you are right, perfect, machine also perfect. Keep on trying the problems, try to solve. So whenever write the program or any area or domain in the area of knowledge representation, two things are common. One is called a syntax error, another one is called a semantic error. Syntax error, you can say example. For example, like instead of I'm going to Mumbai, the statement is I'm writing I go hi Mumbai. Writing means what? This wrong, syntax error. I'm going to Mumbai means what? You can understand. But if you write I Mumbai means what? Can't understand. That is a syntax error. And next one is called semantic error. It's a very important one, where because what you want to convey, what kind of representation you are going to give in the problem, or what kind of representation you have to do it. Semantic in the sense this is not meaningful. So if you suppose if you do wrong, everything wrong, the meaningful should be there. Semantic smart, the meaningful representation will be there. For example, you are developing application for railway, it's the related things will be ticket reservation, cancellation, all the formulas there. Instead of that, some other information that is not required. Now come to this one. There are different methods applied for the knowledge representation. One is called logic, another is called rules, another called semantics, another is the frame, at last with the script. Sorry, so script, that's advanced one of frames. For exam point of view, these are very important. So first one, the logic. So logic, generally there are two types is there. One is called propositional logic, another one is the predicate logic. So propositional logic, what you can say means there will be some rules is there, just the rules, if then and so on like that, and these are connected with the before one. Sorry, these are connected and one connected with the rules like that. And predicate logic where you have a, so here propositional logic, we remember true or false will be there. True or false based on the condition we can solve the given problem and execute. Then predicate logic, what there will be a quantifier is there, like for all, exist and so on. Then next one is very important, rules. The rules means it follow the if then and so on. So these are rules is there. Suppose if you want to find the solution, so you are giving some condition for the given problem, you can do it with the help of propositional logic. I suppose some condition giving and rule 1 and rule 2. If rule 1 and rule 2, what happened? If rule 3, rule 4 and what happened, like that. Then next is semantic net. Is practical life, it's very important. What is meant by semantic net or network? You can say semantic net means what? These are one representing knowledge in the form of graphical network. I am again repeating, these are the one representing the knowledge in the form of graphical network. And then we can say example Google graph. So what will happen? Semantic means a meaningful network here or meaningful graph. So Google graph, what happened? Whenever you are done, you just have a system, and internet is a what? You can just give some graph. Suppose India are typing, the graph will be displayed in the network. Or else let's assume that a real time example, cow, the tiger. You can take tiger, a group of tiger. So what do you think about tiger? You think about which country you belongs to. Suppose India means you think how tiger or group of tigers. You know, tiger means 4 legs, and you can make a network, and first you imagine and go act. Then next one is very important, frame. Frames is what? These are record like structures where consist of slots and filters and also object and attributes. You may discuss about already studied the DBMS subject where you know entity and so on. So let's say example of, you can say a person, entity of a person. There are moreover the slots having names and values here. Names and values. For example, you take some entity of a person, individual person. The person profession is what? Suppose profession is engineer, that is a value. Suppose the person's age is 25, that is a value. Suppose person city is Pune, that is a value is city, like that. So like that you can frame it, and also it consists of object and attribute and everything helpful for you. Develop the knowledge representation and the AI concept, and also script is the one where is the advanced one of frames. Extend to some where you can say, like example, you can say the movie means what are the important things there, that is actions, role of the characters, role, so many is there. Like that you can frame something and make it and give to the agent. So agent will follow this one. What are the conditions, what are the things you are expecting, it try to resolve. So remember, knowledge representation is one very important. Like human how thinking, the system also can think today. What's your plan? How you are planning? Based on the system also try to execute the plan. If you are perfect, the system is perfect here. So these are the one where you can follow the logic, predicate logic, and everything we are following. These are main topics. Some of the topics we will cover in the upcoming sessions. And I hope that you understand the session. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please communicate with us in the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for our channel. Thank you.